We'll guide you through how to stop automatic updates in Windows 11. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. So for whatever reason, you don't want Windows to go and be automatically updating. So we can go and stop this and then it won't. Make sure it's this full guide step by step as we're covering important information throughout this whole video and different ways it can go and be done. So make sure it's this full thing and don't skip anything as you may go and miss something important. So to go and get started with this, you want to come to the bottom of your computer and find the Windows Start button and click there. This will open up, and then what you can do is you can go and find settings. You can also search at the top of settings as well. Now, what you need to do is you need to go down on the left and find the option for Windows Update. Wait for this to go and load. And then what you need to do is you need to go and find Pause Updates. And you can come to the right. And what you can do is you can go and click here and you can go and choose how long you want to go and pause for. So I just went and clicked here. As you can see, I just kept clicking and I've now gone and paused it. You can go and see there, I kept clicking and now updates are paused until the 20th of April, 2026, which is about a month. However, of course, after then it'll go and continue, which isn't ideal. So what we can do is we can close out of this and you can go and press search at the bottom and go and type in services. When this opens up, you need to go and scroll down and we need to go and find Windows and we need to go and find Windows Update. Double click on it. Where it says startup type, you can go and set that to disabled. Then where it says recovery, you can go and find where it says first failure and go and set it to take no action. And then you can go and press apply and you can press general at the top and it'll go and be stop now as well. Then you can press OK and that's it.